Okay, this is how to thread your bobbin. This thing right here, it's like a little clear spool. That's your bobbin. And on either side of it, there's these little holes in it. This is what you're gonna have to do. Hold on. Hey, shut up. Okay, regular thread. You're gonna put it on like the longer part. Shut up. Okay, so you plop it on there. And then over here at this end, you have this little metal dealie. On this part, it's like a little circle-y deal. Okay? What you do is take your thread and put it around. Maybe this thing will focus. Hold on. So I have to like hold this fucking thing and try and do this at the same time. Okay, focus. Okay, now you take your thread and you put it around the little loopy dealy. Just like that. Okay? Now, you take your bobbin and on the inside of it, you're going to put the thread through one of the little holes. If I can do it. Okay, you just pull it through one side, like that. You hold the top part so that the thread doesn't totally come out of it, and then you just start wrapping it around on the inside. And my thread just came out. Okay. Now you're going to start wrapping it over that little piece of thread hanging out so that the thread will stay threaded on it. Okay, now this little dealie over here, you're going to put the bobbin on it until it clicks. And then, can you see this? Okay, you push it towards a little spoolie deal. And then once that's done, all you're going to do is hit your foot pedal and it's going to fill up thread onto the bobbin. So maybe if I can keep this thing still, we can watch this happen. Okay. Oh, this fucking camera. Okay, so you push it over back to the side so you can take it off. And then you just snip it and you have your threaded bobbin.